Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Christmas in July episode. So today I am going to be showing you guys or giving you guys some neutral Christmas decor inspiration for your mantles. You can decorate your shelves, your bookshelves, TV consoles, dressers, whatever and wherever you want to put a garland, you can do that. And I just wanted to kind of take you guys along with me as I show you I think my most neutral Christmas mantle that I've ever done. So I hope that you guys are excited and that you are enjoying all of the Christmas in July inspirational videos, and that you can use some of these inspirations or ideas for the upcoming Christmas season. So let's go ahead, grab a hot cup of cocoa or some iced tea and get settled in.
These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's...
So this pine cone garland I made last year, and I had the pine cones in my stash, and I just went ahead and kind of string them on a string that I got from Dollar Tree, and I remember that I had it in my stash in the attic, and I was just like, oh, this is going to be perfect for my woodland theme. So if you don't know by now, my name is Shushana, and I am so excited that you are here. If this is your first time joining me on my channel, welcome. I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decor, lifestyle videos, and cleaning motivation. So if you are interested in any of that type of content, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and definitely double tap that bell so you get all my notifications. So I have these beads here also that I did get from Walmart last year as well. And I had it on my son's Christmas tree last year, but I decided that I'm going to be using it on my mantle. So I wanted to paint my mantle black, but then I changed my mind because I don't know if I can commit to that bold color on such a large scale over time. So I decided to just leave it the way it is and incorporate black on my mantle, and I just love the way that this turned out. Let me know down below if you so far like what you see, and if you started your Christmas decorating, and what is your theme for the Christmas season.
Supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da. Oh oh, la da da da. Oh oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da. Oh oh, oh oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again.
So if you guys notice, I'm not really cutting out a lot out of my video because I want you guys to kind of see the process that I go through when it comes to decorating. It's not an easy process trying to figure out where this is going to go, the height, and making everything kind of balance. I like symmetry, so when one side is too heavy, it makes me just go insane. So I just need to make sure that everything is well balanced. I actually have about 3 of these houses, and I did not even remember that I had them. I got them last year on the clearance from Christmas, last year, and I'm so glad that I got them because I have so many spaces to decorate, and they're gonna look fabulous. So these are my olive branches that I got from Amazon over the spring of this year, and I'm just reusing them, repurposing them, and balancing out this mantle. And I think that they add such a touch of whimsy to the mantle, but at the same time it's so elegant. Like, this mantle is giving me like Pottery Barn vibes, and it's just so elegant and chic, and that's what I was going for. So let me know down in the comment section, guys, what do you think so far of my mantle for Christmas? I absolutely love it.
Again, baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me, hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah, I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Decorated in town, among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether
So I'm just a little upset because my deer fell and one of his antler broke. Oh my gosh. I love this deer. I got it from Walmart last year, and his antler broke, but I'm still going to use it because it doesn't look like it really broke from the video. I'm still going to use it, and then I really just attached it back on with some crazy glue, but it looks really good. It looks really good. I love the way that this whole setup turned out, you guys. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think? I think this is probably my favorite mantle decor, and I know I probably say that for every single mantle decor, but I really am feeling it. Like, I really love it, and it sets the tone for what my entire home decor is going to be. I mean, I love reds for Christmas, but I think that for the living room, I wanted something different, more warm and cozy, a little bit more neutral, and I just love the way that it looks. So definitely let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. How do you feel about this neutral decor? And yeah, just let me know.
Still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. I built myself a new life from the ground up. A beautiful white underdog puppy. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or far, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all.
I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you are excited as I am for my Christmas series. Thank you guys so much for being here, spending this time with me. Please go ahead and leave your comments down in the comments section. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys next time.
Wish you the merriest Christmas.